In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach out to a recruiter on LinkedIn. Let's start by visiting LinkedIn's website at linkedin.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your Google or Microsoft credentials, or simply enter your email address and password. For those who have enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves sending a verification code to your registered phone number, ensuring that your account remains secure and protected. Before you begin reaching out to recruiters, it's crucial to optimize your LinkedIn profile. This means making sure that you have a professional photo, a well-written summary, and a detailed list of your relevant skills and experiences. A polished profile will make a strong first impression, showing recruiters that you are serious and well-prepared. Once your profile is in excellent shape, you're ready to make your initial contact with recruiters. The best way to do this is by sending a personalized connection request. Take a moment to craft a brief message that highlights why you want to connect with them and how you align with their industry or their company. Personalization is key here, as it demonstrates your genuine interest and professional approach. It's essential to keep this initial message concise yet meaningful. If and when they accept your connection request, a follow-up message is a courteous and often appreciated step. In this message, you can express your gratitude for the connection and introduce yourself in a bit more detail. Now, let's talk about how to find recruiters on LinkedIn. Use the search function to find companies you're interested in working with. You'll be able to identify the recruiters associated with each company this way. If you're a LinkedIn Recruiter subscriber, you have the advantage of advanced search features. These tools can help you locate recruiters more efficiently by allowing you to apply specific filters related to roles, locations, or industries. Another method is to pay close attention to job postings from your target companies. Often, these postings mention the recruiters or hiring managers who are spearheading the hiring process, thus providing a direct opportunity for you to connect with them. Once a recruiter accepts your connection request, promptly send a thank you message. This small yet sincere gesture can significantly contribute to building a positive rapport. In this same message, you might want to briefly mention any specific roles or opportunities you're interested in at their company. Showcasing your clear interest in their organization can underline your initiative and enthusiasm. Reaching out to recruiters on LinkedIn doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By following these steps and ensuring your communication is both genuine and professional, you'll increase your chances of positively standing out. Remember, making meaningful connections takes time and strategy. With patience and persistence, LinkedIn can transform into a powerful platform for discovering career growth opportunities.